I'm there, man, you know. You must miss me for how long me even make a video, dog. I swear. Yo, me that wait pandemic, dog. Buck, look on them. Just touched down. But I have to order them my fam, cause I couldn't get them nowhere, you see me? If you don't watch anime, you don't much know which cartoon this coming. You see me? Check out in the comment section, me know. For all of the anime fans them, to watch anime, me know which cartoon, you see? Cause me that wait for them for long, you know, brother. I'm going on the road to try to get them, you know. I couldn't get them, you know. People. Today is a vlog. Part 5, I believe, yeah. Part 5, you know, dog. What? Yeah, part 5, you see. Long time I don't make a video. You know, today, part 5. I tell you for a long time, so yo, I go show you all about in a place, you know. Today, I do that. You see, and today, we are talking about all of the things them where the young generation them are going with. Because if you med, you know, back in our people days, our family days, no people now dead so. And if people are do dead, enough of foolishness, you see it. Today, we are talking about Klein and his mother, we are talking about pastor, we are talking about the car will crash and mash up and people dead, you see it. We are talking about all heap of something today, you see it. So what I want to do, stay tuned, you see it. Just stay tuned, like, subscribe and share, you see it. Tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. And when they tell a friend, they make the friend they tell him here, you see it, and get the word out, you see it. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Want you to know I found a reason. I'm back, you see it, my back, you hear that? Oh yeah, Joe. But still, people, as me that say, back in our family days, you not much medicine. You must think me true. I can't know me here. You see it? Medzi man, back in our family days to bomb buckler, brother. You see me? If people are do that, I must a good purpose. You see it? Me. You know, so they go kill the boy because Ray and you see it? But no, man, not take up the entire thing, man. And go over your yard. And then now knock on the door and say, yo, come out here so me kill you. I'ma kick off that yo, I'ma kick off that bread and go in for you, see it? And that's wrong. You see me? That totally wrong. But you can't tell a gunman nothing. Because I'm a power in hand, you know. You see, when we have one big stone, you can fling one time, you know. It have about half a dozen or a dozen bullets, not that. I wait for you to fling your one stone and I'm wet you up. Jaja, but on a fun and game. Them kill off Klein mother. And it just so fuck up Toy Guan and I don't know, but Toy Guan and Toy G react to what Guan. It does F up, brother. Cause go so boom now and me there a man to go be, cause me always got city, you see it. Me there a man to go be, and my mother there a yard, you see it. And me go hear say boom man kick out my mother door and go in. And I go and knock out my stepfather, you see pre. And jaw my mother, you see it. My head get grimy. My head get yo, I murder some people know too, you know. Hey, I lift up from be a youth. I live around for about car. Or take away a car. I lift up from a city youth. And I put foot on pedal and I reach. Yo, I reach move my foot. You hear? Me say, people are dead, I lift up what I don't have. You hear me? I tell you that. I lift up what I don't have, brother. I not gas in the car, brother. I pissing at that. And that's a car I go to Portland. You hear? Believe, man. But to a G react to a serious something, he left you no thing to do. Say yo, to a dog react. I'm not gonna say G have something to do with this still, you see me? But you have to keep calm for the rest of the family them, you see? Because Nicky did this like that, you see? And if him did just react one way like how me just attack to her, Nicky would get fucked up in her head. You see? Because you would even know what to do now, because, you see me? Mama get take away. And now look how you are going and you know you can't even reach Kingston, you can't even reach Manchester, you see? You probably G that for hold it, you see? And do what you know is right. Go up on the live. Link up in people who live in Manchester and you go out and make them know say yo, I that go on, you know, and if you know nothing where, if you see nothing before you even did happen, just link me G, you see me, cause G, they said why they already, you know, on spot, you see me, with the 5 hour them I try deal badness, you see it. So, it kinda wicked, brother, cause it kinda wicked, and me make a video about this whole situation already, you see me. And it'll look fuck up to say it in this video again. Cause I just know it look like a strength me I look, you see it? I mean I look no strength, you see it? Cause the video them put up in the people must appreciate, yo, Jaja, why now you put up the video there? And you see no strength there, look. I'm a family them, brother. Believe it or not, I'm a family them, and if you don't want to believe that a bomb buckler for no business, you hear? You see me? My auntie and my mother sister. That are twice mother and my mother and sister them. But me nah explain nothing to you when you feel like say yo Ray, you see things go on and it go on. And you know what people are gonna say now? Before the female dead, why you never say Ray out, and you see me make you know say yo the connection, you see me? I know about that, brother, I know about that. I know for pre man, you see me? Fuck we go on, you see me? And the whole away I'm on. The whole away me I tell you. Right now my mother not take it easy, My mother have a rough time about how his sister dead, you know, brother. I tell her that, you know. And people do know that, you know. Let me not say that, you know. I feel go and my mother know say, yo, life goes on as a G them say, you know. You see me know you feel it for your sister, you know. I go to our biggest sister, you know. I tell her that, you know. Cause my mother probably be the second to last, smallest one. You have Madge, you have Lana. Man, me even go get into that dog, you see me, but most of them me even remember that. I know me have so uncle dog, but me even know live in Manchester, you see it. Me have auntie, but live in Manchester, you see it, but me even know, you see it. Because I tell you what go on now. You see, my mother one different type of woman, brother, if you know, brother, you see it. My mother not too gone away, you see me. My mother have family all both, brother. I tell you that, my mother have family in Manchester, over this. And my mother no go nowhere go look for none of them. And I say, Mommy, I want to you. Want to meet my family them too, you know. And I feel like say me know where can go link them and say, you know what I say. And Mommy and your family and me. And Mommy's son, so me and your family. Me can't do that, daddy. Can't do that. And then I say me can't do that. I just want to know say, yo, me I chat with Mommy. And I'm reach and my auntie and my uncle foot. Everything go on, you see. Someone do that, so I'm even, you see. Because what do you did for the link, Mama? Did for the link Lana. Because Mommy that go over there, you see me? I would have to Lana, I would have to match. You see? I just foolish with squad, you see? So you go, you see? Now we just left to put auntie in a grave. Mama could have lived a little longer because my auntie no age, she just in her 50 and Mommy just in her 52, you see? So they have a whole heap of more years to live. And I tell her that. But I just fucking go on, you see? Fucking go on. And I like something I can take back, you see? Because man can't resurrect people like, you know, I show them, you know? You see it, so I'm talking about resurrections now. I'll get on to the pastor. Because the pastor, I do something, you know, brother. Remember me tell you, you know? Not because the G dead, you know, it go on still, you know? Because watch your prayer now, you see the pastor know what he do. Tell him say a lie, me I tell you. The pastor set his name in that thing all doing dead. Because I watch a little clip yesterday, you know, about dead. And I see another young nigga, you know, and 2 female, you know. I walk around, not even walk around. Them drive from for them church, where pastor them, where party pastor church. You see me, where bag of things in that go on. Then drive from the church, that man take go be again, you know, about dead. So them a recruit one other pastor. And even so, I don't want to get the thing twisted. You see me? Them say them a look for the pastor. Them say them want a pastor to continue the thing where did that go on. And here you know, they run out of gas and man to go be pull up at one church, right at one church and run out of gas, you know. So what you call that? And the man who own the church and want to be the next cult man. And you see two nigga dress up for the other 2 female. A nigga dress up like some people. Who would say no? A nigga he have on full black suit. You see me? And him button them, and on a button come down so nobody there, you see me? And some button come so. And something pan here so. You know like ghost for that shit, man. The man ghost for that take away man jacket in a jail. And when the dog go so boom and jump on you and you see them pipe it up and I want jacket like that the dog be. Believe no man. All police will pull up at them foot. Because if them try to recruit a member back to the church if you go do the same fuckery. That can't go on. You have to stop that before you even happen, you see. So then go so boom now and police pull up at them foot and bear things and the woman then turn up one side like so they don't know what go on. But them know say it's a man them come to recruit for them church, we start kill people again. You see me? Why? My people them, but I get a far away in that video. If you reach us with me, like the video please, subscribe, you see, turn on post notification to get them as them drop, you see me. When I know, I'm busy, you see, because I work up at car wash, I work on car wash, you see. Yeah man, I just see that go and kill some time, I wash 2 cars, you see. But now, I don't know. I pray things one way, you see, I pray things different, you see. Pray things different, and if my mind tell me, say, yo, blacks, you know, you see, that me I go do. Because for your work with the mind, you never go wrong. You see me? So I work with the mind, you see. Hopefully I go back up the one at a time, them. You see me? If them are, you see me? But if that not happen, I just so you see, I have YouTube can go and do. It's a funny thing and I like to say boy. I say, I nothing to do, you see. So I have to go and put in YouTube. You see me? Put in work. Yeah. And watch you know, I'm showing you place before me even get no further in that video. You see it, because I'm telling you something, I'm showing you place and I don't want the clip done, I'm done showing you place. You see it? Alright. Yeah, this are the hall. Yeah, this are the hall. Yeah. This are the hall, set here, you see. Kitchen, that's a bathroom, that's a. This are the master bedroom. You see. This are the master bedroom, you see. Dress and bag of things, you know. Jacket, bag, bed, you see. Yeah man, TV, fan, you see. No, this is a 40. Watch out now. Where there? I want me thing there. We don't listen. Let me see. Silver. Where there? Silver. Yeah man, I'm on the box man. I see. Let me show you outside. Alright, see outside. Yeah. Outside bright. Alright, that's the outer road, but there see. That's a dump on the road. And then if you can see the one filly there where I walk, let's say you see it. But see bar ground down there, so that's a shutter shop. Out there Philly I go have to go to the main road, you see it. Go in the town I have to go all about, you see it. Round here so now. Round this now I have to go in the lane, you see it. Go way around on the lane, around on the level side lane, you see it. Yeah man, our thing different man. It's like, oh I'm doing man. Our thing yes. See there, down on the road. Yeah man, that's outside. Clearly me show, no? You see it. Who like my slippers? Just crap it clean, you know. Yeah man, inside again, you see. As me that say now, my people them, you see me. What me did I say now? One little crash go on. I don't even know where, but me that made it on the net, you see. Where it look like I suppose to CRV, you see, one of them van there, you know. And like the dog then that press you out on the highway that I'm telling you, you know. I don't know if I'm telling you about meds more and I say, why would not have to carry them, so brother? Not because they have couple mileage in them, brother. You see me? Know what you do on the road, brother. Because you never born if you go so fast, you know. Let me tell you that, you know. A car they make man move so fast, you know. So you must expect some fucker can play. Because if you could have moved so fast, you wouldn't need car, brother. Meds, you know, man. That's why I'm not getting a car right now. Rent a car what day, yes. I'm drive it good and everything go where I go and come back. And yeah, alright, I make back the people them. I not go up on the road and you see what I say people? That not work, brother. Probably you see one filly on the roadside that look tick up and I say, Jaja, look at me the filly I pre the car now. Step on it. Boom 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 boom. Mash up at one place now, filly start up. The same filly would have called police for you. You never know that go and do one. You think you see one smile on your face when you speed up going up the road and you feel good in yourself now. Pull up a KFC now and nobody can get no talk. Because you just don't know what the whole road down this whole mileage and they carry button on the wheel. So you go about it. If you have a drive, cherish it, brother. You know how much one car? You know how much one car now, brother? Right now enough people want a car and can't get that here. I don't know what you're a killer up on yourself in them. Come to my right hand pull up. Yeah. Someone want to stay safe. You see. I run a done get that done a kill off people them. They try to kill off on yourself no more, brother. They might kill with vaccine. They might kill with corona. Gonna kill people, car kill people, man kill people. What left the man bumbo clad do this world that to survive? What left to do for you survive, brother? That more want to know. Because I don't know, my whole you know dog, my whole you fucking a dog. You see me? You see, friend, I'm telling you if I never know that. Friend can lead you down to one part where you never think you're alone. Would have lead yourself. Let me tell you that. Friend, them put you in a battle around one place around the say, yeah. You hear them say? You can't catch quark up, you catch it short. You're a friend, we in some fucking hot water with some people, you know that, you know. You see me? I wanna go bust a boom now and so now make a step go one place, you know. And buy a quinta one nigga that a pre one way and I say, okay. Take up your phone, bring, yo. You see such a man I say we did this with what you know. You see me? Alright, now forward, now learn my thing them and me forward because I dirt today you there so far in coming out with zone. Alright. They don't know. Man gone piss, friend gone piss or whatever. Miss me, you know, new when gone. Man pull up and see the man when come for. You know, see shot, you know, so you catch quark up, would that be the next friend when you know nothing. And fuck with one, wake you up, that's up. Wake you up, you don't even know where you get wet up. You don't even know where you get wet up from. You see me? People. That is it. The flag get long one way and I know me been attacked. Some wally for something. This is the end of the video. Like, subscribe and share if you like the video. If you did like what me attack, if you did have an understanding, you go right through the video with me. Share it to your friend them. Make them get the understanding that you see. Check out my IG, Item Boss. You see, I almost reach 1,000 followers. You see, that's nice. So you just follow me up, you see me, like my video them, like my picture them, you see me. Yeah. Check out Sandboss Comedy, cause one little foolish still go on and AG up and gunning and now still what the AG never could have posted a video to that, me neither. But AG up and now, check out the boy channel. The boy a bang a video over there, see anyway. Check out Appledan, yeah, she YouTube, her YouTube name Appledan, you see me? She are all in one, you see me? She make her video them, her cooking video them, she make her comedy video them. She have her Viva page, cause she have her little artist, see me. Might have that me rate, brother. When you do this, when you have one thing, fuck up. But when you have more than one thing, you can rely on any one of them. So yeah, Appledan. Check out our Viva page just up and going like a couple days ago. So she probably not have this amount of sub you probably have to look for. So just check her out, bill her sub them to where to go, you see. Bill my sub them to come. You know me can't reach 500 at all. Hey, what do you got? Let me tell you now, what do you have 457 subscribers. And if I go look for you now, I have 436 or 37. I take about 20 or 25 sub from for what I know, or for the time I never did a post or something. So people check you out, there's me. I love when you stay safe, and that alone I can't tell you stay safe. Because the whole of the world will live this next year. But people still are dead and there's no way me can stop that unless in turn God. You see? I'm say alright, ease yourself gun man. That is it.